Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S9. We need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard because otherwise you might scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, equipment grade, pure, so that it first softens the dirt and helps it come out of the openings of the speaker, and then so that it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy such a diffuser and brush as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one and can't order it, you can always use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium, because if they're hard, they'll scratch your phone. We always start by turning the phone off completely, so we press the power button and select power off. Only after the phone is completely turned off can we proceed to cleaning. Never clean your phone while it's on, because it could get damaged. We carefully soak the brush completely and thoroughly with alcohol. We take the phone and move it to the side. Hold it with 2 fingers. The speaker is here in the glass panel. We simply need to clean this part. So we take the wet brush and with a steady motion move it in one direction. We clean it. Besides that, we clean in one direction. We make about 10 to 15 strokes to clean out this opening of the speaker. I'm doing it now. After making those 15 strokes, we change direction and go the other way. Now we clean this little speaker just the same way. On the other side, everything has been cleaned as well. We also make 10 to 15 strokes and then change direction again. You should do this 2 to 3 times in each appropriate direction. So that's about 30 to 45 strokes. That way, the speaker is cleaned most thoroughly. It will work like new. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.